Alright, language explorers, so let's look at today's commonly confused words. So imply, and infer. So imply, to suggest something as a consequence. So to suggest something, suggest. He is implying, he is suggesting, he's implying it won't work. She is implying that you did it. He implies that she was there. They are trying to imply that they know the answer. They're trying to suggest it without saying it. It is implied that it will be open. Well, it does not say exactly that it will be closed, so it is implying that it will be open. It doesn't say it will be closed, but it doesn't say that it won't be closed either. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. It is implied that it will be open. The message implies that it will work. This text message implies that it will work, but it doesn't say it explicitly. Yes, it will. It just says, it just implies. Like, well, I think so. Look at that word, look at this word, look at the sentence. I think it will work. How cool is that? Yeah. Infer, come to the conclusion. Conclusion from evidence and logic and reasoning. Looking at things and inferring. I see this and see that, so I want to infer that it can work. She is inferring that it will work. I saw the evidence. I saw the evidence and read the charts, so I think it might work. He inferred that the plan might work. Well, how? Well, he saw the data. How? He saw the data and other pieces of information. So it is inferred that it will work. Well, look at the evidence, look at the data, it might work. They inferred just now that it will be complete. They gave us enough information so that we can infer that it will work. Okay, makes sense. How cool is that? Yeah. So imply, to suggest. So I'll be at the shop later on today. Yeah. So therefore I'm implying it will be open, but inferring, saying the shop seems to be open at this time. Everything else is open. I'll see you there. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use imply and infer in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More lessons to come, more videos to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.